This video is about staff cost, and especially how we can describe, calculate, and reduce your staff cost inside hospitality industry. So if you really wanted to understand staff cost, this video is for you. My name is Cyril Seguin from Bar and Restaurant Solutions and Bar and Restaurant School. If this is your first time with me, please like this video and consider to subscribe for more videos related to hospitality industry. So what is staff cost? A staff cost rate is how much a staff member costs your business per hour or per day. One way to determine a staff member cost rate is to start with their hourly rate, then add additional costs such as benefits, overhead, kind of office space, equipment, internet, any other cost related to the employment of that staff member. So how do you calculate your staff cost? Calculate an employee's labor cost per hour by adding their gross wages to the total cost of related expenses, including annual payroll taxes and annual overhead. Then divide by the number of hours the employee works each year. So for example, the employee works 40 hours per week. So per year is 2,080 hours. His salary per year is 60,000. The tax and the overhead is a total of 16% of the annual salary. So it's 9,600. So the annual cost for the employee is 60,000 plus 9,600, which is 69,600. So the rate per hour is 69,600 dividing by 2,080, which is 33.46. This calculation is just an example to give you an idea how you could start to understand how much your employee costs per hour in your company. So how do you control, manage, and reduce staff costs in a restaurant? Part-time or full-time? You need to have a base in your restaurant, people that you trust, to make run the place like you are here. The full-time employment, I think, is designed for this. The part-time employment helps you to have a better control on your cost. You pay people when they are here, and they are here only when you need them to be. Understand your need. One of the most important things in your restaurant is to understand the load of work each of your employees have and what they need to be done. You need to be aware of every task in the restaurant as well as how long it takes to complete them. You need to have this knowledge in order to build a better planning for your employees. Staff schedule. You need to understand the need of your restaurant in terms of number of employees you need to have in low and high occupancy. For example, if the restaurant is terribly busy on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you should have a greater number of employees at this period of time. You have to be clever to make your schedule and make sure you have enough staff on each shift to take care of the restaurant without having too much employee which costs you money or too less which have a repercussion on your customer service. Reduce employee turnover and increase productivity. It costs far more to replace an employee than to retain a great employee. To take the time to invest in keeping your staff happy. The most common problem you have in a company is to provide staff security. This is what you could do to maintain your team happy. Your staff can make the decision to swap their shift with other staff to make sure you always have an accurate attendance. Communicate. Most employees feel like they are contributing to the success of the company. You need to communicate with them inside your organization in order for them to know what is going on. Make wellness a priority. From mental health to physical health, it's your job to keep employee wellness in check. Happy employees lead to happy customers and lower employee turnover. Incentivize performance. Bonus and commission payments are a great way to incentivize employees to do their best work all the time. Bonus plans should be based on a measurable performance metric. Likewise, commission plan should be based on meeting key sales metrics. When your employees are at their most productive, sales will likely to be increased, leading to greater profit margin and greater employee morale. Who doesn't love the opportunity to earn more money in the form of bonus or commission payment? In this video, I really wanted to explain and demonstrate few tricks to understand staff cost and how you could have a better management of it in order to increase your revenue. As well, all the links to discover more courses and videos are just below. Please do not hesitate to comment on my video. My name is Cyril Seguin. See you next time.